a company presently being designed to completely change the lives of billions of internet users. And this is your notification that this company will very soon launch to the world, and you can be part of the massive growth that this company will have. You will align yourself with state-of-the-art digital products that are presently available that other companies are selling. With this new company, those products that are being used now will undergo massive improvements that will make what people are presently using obsolete. This company has been able to incorporate into their products artificial intelligence that will lead the technology field in creating more users to be successful. Every user will only have to do 1 or 2% of the work. The designers of this company are doing the other 98% of the work. What is mind-bending is that the designers and owners of this company will share more than the 1 or 2% of the commission on any sales generated by this company for its users. That's right, this revolutionary technology company will share more of the sales of products to users than any other company will ever be able to do for the users that are presently in those other companies. Each product is designed to be above market value and priced to where users can afford them. You have the opportunity to be one of this company's users. Remember, you will only do 1 or 2% of the work to share in the profits of this company. That is monumental. Go to makeitz4you@yahoo.com and leave your name and a contact email address so that you can be notified when this company launches.